Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to start the important chapter of the 7th standard CBSE, that is the triangles and its properties. Now before starting the chapter, you should know what is a triangle. The triangle is nothing but it is a simple closed curve made up of 3 line segments. When we join a 3 line segments, then the triangle is formed. Okay. Now see here, this is a one line segment, second and third, and what become this is a triangle, and this is a closed figure made up of 3 line segment, that is a triangle. The triangle has how many vertices? 1, 2, 3. The triangle has 3 vertices. How many sides? 1, 2, 3. Triangles has 3 sides and how many angles? This is a 1 angle, this is a 2, this is a third. Right? So how many angles are there? How many angles are there? 3 angles. So triangle has 3 vertices, 3 sides and 3 angles. What is a triangle? Triangle is a simple closed curve made up of 3 line segments. Okay? Are you getting? Okay. Now, what are the types of triangles? Types of triangles. The types of triangles are depending on the base on the sides and based on the angles. Now, first based on the sides we will see. Based on the sides, first one is the scalene triangle, second is the isosceles triangle, and third is the equilateral triangle. Sorry, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. Now, what is the scalene triangle? Scalene triangle means what? All the sides of the scalene triangle, are different of different lengths. Now, suppose I will draw here. All the sides of the scalene triangle should be the different of length. Should be the different. This is scalene. This may be the scalene triangle because all the sides are different. What is the isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle means that having the 2 sides are same. The isosceles triangle means having the 2 sides are same. Any 2 sides of the triangle are same. Now these are the 2 sides are equal. So this is the isosceles triangle. And what is the equilateral triangle? The equilateral triangle means all the sides of the triangle are same or the equal. Then you can say that is the equilateral triangle. All the sides of this triangle equal. Now in this case, all the sides are same or the equal. So the equilateral. This is the equilateral triangle. Any 2 sides of this triangle are same or the equal in length. So these are the isosceles triangle, and the 3 sides are of different length. 3 sides are of different length, then it is called as scalene triangle. Okay, are you getting? Okay. Now let's see about the triangles, the types of triangles based on the sides. We have seen now here. Now based on the angles, what are the types of the triangles based on the number? First is the acute angle triangle. Now second is the obtuse angle triangle. Third is the right angle triangle. Acute angle triangle means what? The acute angle triangle means all the angles of the triangle are the acute. Now suppose this is a triangle. Now all the angles are the acute. Now suppose this is 30 degree. Suppose this is a 60 degree and 60 degree. Means all the angles are 60 means it is these are the acute angle means the angle should be less than 90 degree. All the angles are acute and less than 90 degree. So it is called acute angle triangle. Okay, all the angles are equal. Then it is a isosceles equilateral triangle. But now here, according to this, we can say that acute angle triangle because all the angles are less than 90 degree. Then it is called as acute angle triangle. Okay. For example, we have written there obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle means what? One of the angles should be greater than 90 degree. Obtuse angle means one of the angles should be greater than 90 degree. 90 degree से ज़्यादा एक angle होना चाहिए. So then we can say that the obtuse angle triangle. Now see here, this angle is more than 90 degree. Okay, one angle is more than 90 degree, then it is called as the obtuse angle triangle. Now this triangle is called as the obtuse angle triangle. And what is the right angle triangle? The right angle triangle means one angle is right angle. One of the angle is right angle. Out of 3 angles of the triangle, one angle should be the right angle 90 degree. Then it is called as right angle triangle. Okay, are you getting in this? What are the types of triangle? Okay, I think you have understood. Okay, let's move towards the next point. What is the next? Our point is that, see here students, that is median of a triangle. What is the median of a triangle? Median of a triangle. What is the median? Now see here, medians of a triangle is nothing but when suppose this is a triangle and if we join from the vertex A, B, C, from vertex to the midpoint of this side, opposite side of this vertex, opposite side of this vertex, when suppose this M is the midpoint of this side, M is the midpoint of this side BC, and which when we join from this A to M, midpoint of this side, then AM is called as a median. AM is called as a median. Okay, the line segment drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of the sides opposite to the vertex, midpoint of the side opposite to this vertex is called as the line segment. Sorry, it's called as a median. It's called as a median. Okay, got it? Are you getting? Okay. Now after that, next our point is that what is the altitude? Now altitude means, next point is that is the altitude. What is an altitude? Altitude means when we draw perpendicular here. When we draw the perpendicular, means there should be the 90 degree. Then suppose this M or this is the N. Now AN is the altitude of this triangle. When we draw in the triangle perpendicular on the any side, then that is the height of that triangle, or the we can say that is the altitude of that triangle. Okay, are you getting? Yes. Listen carefully, students. The practice set, that is the exercise 6.1. What is exercise 6.1 here? The triangle is also Q1. Okay, P, Q, R. Now what is in this question? We will see this is the altitude, this PM, and this is a what? D, and this is a PQR. Okay, in this triangle PQR, what is given here? In triangle PQR, D is the midpoint of QR. D is the midpoint of QR, side QR. Okay, D is midpoint, means QD and DR is equal. QD and DR is equal because D is the midpoint. Okay, so and we have to write PM is what? PM is a perpendicular to the sides, from one vertex, and it is perpendicular to the other any side, that is a 90 degree. So it is a, this should be the altitude, and PD. What is PD? PD should be the median because D is the midpoint of the QR, and QM is equal to MR. Is possible QM is equal to MR? QM is equal to MR? No, because D is the midpoint. So Q